Sa mga pinakamalalakas yung connection, yung vibe nila sa isa't isa, syempre ang Kai Rain. Sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Grabe yung closest nyo sa loob, pero kamusta kaya sa labas ng bahay?
How it was inside this house, it's still like that in the outside world.
Mas marami ng
Hindi na limited.
chismis na parang,
Yeah.
I'm like, you have chika, okay, okay. And then like, okay, bro, don't tell anyone. Mga like that now.
Napakaganda. And ngayon, nasa tabi natin, this is the box of memories. Kai and Rain, pwede na nabuksan to.
Ano yan? Oh! What is that? Yoy!
It's the pen! It's our drawings, our illustration.
Usapan muna natin, ano ba yung mga drawing na nakita natin dito?
Kuya asked us to draw our best friend.
Yeah.
Tapos I drew her very well. Dun, ito talaga exactly what she wore during that day. Ito yung buhok niya.
Ako din. I drew her
Ito
very well din.